What's up everyone and welcome to another video. Before we start this video, if you like unboxings, reviews and technology news, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon. And watch this video till the end to know completely how to track your smartphone. Misplacing your electronics can be stressful. Such devices hold a lot of private information and images you may not have backed up somewhere else. If you are using an Android device, you should be aware that there are apps that you can use to locate your device. Tracking a smartphone can also be a smart way to keep your children safe and know where they are. Find My Device app from Google is a must-have application for Android phones and also one of my favorite Android apps. Once you have added a Google account to your Android device, it instantly turns on Find My Device. You can check through settings, protection, Find My Device or anything similar, where click on Find My Device. The app makes it quick to locate your missing smartphone and it's free to download it from the Play Store. It will ask you to sign in after you launch the app and to make sure the location is switched on once the app is activated and running. As long as it is switched on and connected to Wi-Fi or phone data, you can find your device. You can also go to google.com/android/find in any browser to track your device, whether it's on your computer or any other smartphone. You can also just type Find My Phone into Google if you are logged in to your Google account. If your missing device has internet access and the location is on, you can find it. One of the best things here is that you can lock the device and write a message with the phone number that comes with it if someone finds your device or has it. So all they have to do is push the call me button on the screen to contact the given phone number. If you have no other option, you can also choose to play a sound or erase the phone remotely. Note that if you use a browser to track your phone, you will need to sign in to your Google account. If you have signed in from someone else's mobile or browser, then you will have to sign out all your accounts once you are done. If you leave your account signed in, your mobile will be trackable by anybody with access to that computer. The app only takes 1 minute to update and set up, and it should be your first option to locate a missing Android smartphone because it's too easy to use. If you have a Samsung handset such as the Samsung Galaxy S10, then you can use Find My Mobile service from Samsung. To use this, you should have a Samsung account. The option can be found in Settings, Biometrics and Security, Find My Mobile, where you can turn the service on and decide if you want to allow remote unlock and send last location. Samsung stores your PIN, password or pattern with remote unlock so you can open it even if you forget it, but it can also be used to remotely control your phone. If your phone manufacturer does not provide any kind of tracking service like Find My Mobile from Samsung and you don't want to use the Find My Device service from Google, then you still have few other choices. Most major carriers in the US provide a sort of phone tracking service, but you should be prepared to pay extra for this service. There are also a range of third-party applications that provide the ability to track the device, but again, all of them charge for the service. I will advise you to read the privacy policy first if you want to use a third-party application. That's all for now. Thanks a lot for watching guys. My name is Hamza, this is Tech Fielder and I'll catch you in the next one.